Hi friends! Today we are catching insects and bugs. Let's learn their names and fun fact. Look, a bee. Bees make sweet honey. They also help flowers grow. This is a ladybug. Ladybugs have red bodies with black spots. This is a black beetle. Black beetles have hard shells. This is a spider. Spiders have 8 legs. They make webs to catch insects. This is an ant. Ants are very strong. This is a green beetle. Green beetles shine like metal. This is a grasshopper. Grasshoppers can jump very high. They love to eat green leaves. This is a spider. Spiders have 8 legs. They make webs to catch insects. This is a black bee. Black bees make honey. They also help flowers grow. This is a dragonfly. Dragonflies have 2 big wings. They can fly very fast. This is a fly. Flies have 2 wings. They can fly everywhere. This is a centipede. Centipedes have many legs. They crawl very fast. Yay! We learned many insects and bugs today. They are so amazing and fun. Which one is your favorite? Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next adventure, friends. Bye-bye.